What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So we're here on GJ and we've just entered this setup here. Now I'm going to run through the setup and why we've taken the trade and where we're targeting and all that jazz after the intro. So see you in a sec. Okay guys, jumping on the chart then, and I've been waiting for this trade patiently to line up all morning. Basically, what we've got is, if we're on the 5-minute chart, we have a really nice looking supply zone. Okay, with this area here, we supplied the market, we've broken some structure to the left, but this, the origin of the supply zone has also taken the liquidity of these equal highs here, right? So we've taken an equal highs, we've had a liquidity grab, and then we pushed price down quite dramatically. When price came back into the zone, we've just filled the 5-minute fair value gap in here. Okay, I don't know if there's any higher. I don't think there is. No, I would have marked them out. So there's nothing up there that's any higher for price to technically come and take out. So price is sort of stalling at the zone, and I entered once we had filled the zone. So just below, and I saw some price started to dip down. Now we've got a stop loss of 22 pips. I've got 2 lot sizes on here. Sorry, I've got 2 trades on. And basically what we're going to do is look for price to continue to the downside. Now, what we have below is we have had a bit of a tip down to this area here, but we've also got the origin to come visit as well, potentially. And I just like the look of this zone as a supply zone, right? This has had a push down, break of structure. We've taken liquidity. Price came up to the zone nearly, and I thought I'd missed the entry here, but price has eventually come back into the zone, and I took the sell because I'm actually going to go out in a minute. I can't look at the trade, so I have taken a bit of a riskier trade entering now rather than waiting for a confirmation, although we did get our confirmation just here when a break of a candle low. So really it wasn't too bad, and in fact we're only a few pips away from where we would have taken that entry anyway. Now I'm expecting price to have a bit of a play. The top of the zone is just there, so stop loss is just above the high there. I may even tip it up just a touch more, I'm not sure yet. But I think price can push up a little bit more and then look to come down. First TP is going to be around this area here, okay, just before these lows down there. And that's basically it, really. Nice and simple, nothing crazy. It is what it is. It's a supply zone. We've got some confirmation that we've taken liquidity. We've got a break of structure from the area. We've already had a potential push down from here, but we've just taken liquidity above the top here. So now I'm expecting price to kind of do a little bit of something like this and then look to continue to the downside for the rest of the day. If we go to a higher time frame on the 4-hour, how are we looking? 4 hours interesting because we have got this area here which has act as price to push up, but I think that we could potentially come back down a little bit further to come back into this zone here. So there's not much really to do but wait and see, and yeah, we'll come back when hopefully we've got our first TP, and we'll go from there. What's happening, guys? So just quickly, we got our first TP. I took one of the whole positions out. We've still got one left running, so that's brilliant. That was a really nice, how many pips was that? Whole 54 pips there. We're about 25 pips or so still in profit, so we're just going to let this run and hopefully we can continue down for the rest of the day. This candle was the open of the New York Stock Exchange. I was pretty confident that price was going to react from here and push down, so I was happy to hold through the open, and it paid off. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll let the last one run for the rest of the day. Okay guys, let's jump back in. It is now 6:30 or so, and as you can see, price did push up after our spike down to first TP. We closed one position here for full for 55 pips, and the other one sadly drove up to break even, but still a winning day and still a great trade. So I'm going to leave that video here. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I've got lots of videos coming out this week, and if you haven't caught up with my Forex Funds Challenge, go check that out. We've also got some really interesting things coming up in the near future, which I can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, enjoy, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.